Hi dear Aquarius, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tara and this is a journal of reading for all the Aquarius Sun, Moon, Venus rising. Keep in mind this is journal, it might or might not resonate with you in the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed anything. The third thing, this is a reading from today till the 21st of November. So let's start. Aquarius, your partner's current energy right now is, let's see. Your partner's current energy right now is, let's see. The Hanged Man, not doing anything. I feel like this person right now is experiencing this stuck energy in their life. Okay, they are feeling like, yeah, I don't know where to go. I don't know which direction is good for me. I don't know what should I do. So they're trying their best to hang and see the world with another perspective or with another point of view, you can say. So this person right now is trying their best to see the world with someone else's eyes, or trying to look at others perspective in their life. It could be a dealing of spiritual awakening as well that they are right now going through. So let me clarify the Hanged Man in their current energy. The Three of Pentacles, the Lovers, and Two of Swords. Okay, this person is stuck between two people at the same time. They're on the crossroads, not able to decide at all, Aquarius. This is what is happening with this person. Could be dealing with the Gemini here, and could be dealing with the Taurus, Capricorn, or Virgo. So this person right now is very confused between two people. Okay, this is third party. Not you can't say third party situation, but two equally potential people in his life or her life, and they are on the crossroads regarding this situation, whom to choose, which one is the best one for me. That's why this person is stuck. That's why this person is stuck right now. Let me see what's your current energy, Aquarius. Let's see what's your current energy. Oh, baapre. I have a little cold today, so bear with me. Sorry. Okay. Judgment. Your current energy is judgment. You are ready to forgive. You are ready to forgive and forget, and you are ready to might be give this connection another chance, or a reconciliation or what. But right now you're in this phase of forgiveness and forgetting everything, and let's move on. This is the situation that you are in right now. You are judging each and everything in this connection from the start till the end, and you are trying to forgive and heal. This is the situation. Let me clarify the Judgment card in your current energy, Aquarius. Knight of Cups and the High Priestess and the Knight of Pentacles. You do have lots of love for someone, and you are being very silent about this. Might be from a very long time. You are not telling them, or you're not expressing them, and you're very slow towards them. It's like slow moving energy. Okay, it's like you are just waiting for the right time to tell them exactly how you're feeling. You're trying to listen to your intuition, and your intuition is telling you that this is not the right time, just hold on, this is not the right time. That's why I feel like you are just being very silent, and you are moving towards this person very slowly. I think there was some kind of problems going on between you guys, and that's why you're trying to forgive and trying to heal, and then you are being ready for this person, to propose this person, or might be to tell this person after some time that you need commitment, or you love them, or you want to give them commitment or something. So right now you're very silent and trying to listen to your intuition, and just forgiving and forgetting everything that happened in the past between you guys. Cool. Let's see what this person feels for you, their feelings for you. Let's see. Six of Swords. They feel like having a peaceful resolution with you to a problem that you guys are facing, might be from a very long time. They feel like having a peaceful resolution and just leave the past behind and move forward. Okay, this is what they feel like. They feel like, yeah, we guys should leave the past behind and we should start and we shall find a resolution, and this is not going to work out like this, so we should just talk over this and we should see what we can do, what we both can do. Okay, let me clarify. Seven of Pentacles and the Four of Cups and the Nine of Pentacles. They feel like waiting for the time being. They feel like waiting for the right time to take a decision regarding this connection, regarding this love between you guys. Right now, they feel like focusing on themselves, focusing on the money part, the business part, the job part, whatever this person is doing. This person right now is very, very confused regarding this connection with you, and they feel like finding a peaceful solution to this problem. And the solution that they found out, that they feel like the solution is to wait. Just wait for the right time for things to unfold. Just wait for the universal timing or divine timing. And for the time being, they just want to work on themselves. They feel like working on their money part, business part, and job part, and be independent. Okay, they just feel like waiting because they are discontent, bored, and not able to decide at all regarding this connection, thinking about this connection a lot. And they feel like, yeah, I should work on my stability first, then I will see what will happen. Okay, got it. Let's see what this person is wanting from you, what they want from you. Let's see. Seven of Wands, they want you to heal. Seven of Wands is like they want you to heal, and they want you to come out of this energy of fighting and conflict and not able to decide what is happening. This is what they want from you. They want you to stop, analyze, and see everything clearly. Clearly, this is what they want from you. They want you to stop, meditate, analyze what is happening, and see what is happening. Okay, clearly, from within. This is what they want from you. Let me clarify the Seven of Wands. It's basically healing energy. This is kind of healing they want from you. Nine of Cups and the Three of Cups and the Eight of Pentacles. What they want from you is they know that the reconciliation is your happiness. They want you to be happy till the time you guys are on the same page for the reconciliation things to happen. And they want you to work on your aspect, your money, your job, your business, and your healing part. Okay, so they want you to work on your happiness, work on your wish fulfillment. This is disturbing me. Okay, fine. So yeah, they want you to work on your happiness, your wish fulfillment. They want you to celebrate life. They want you to do things that makes you really happy. Okay, and they want you to make your money part stable. They want you to make your money part stable, and then after all these things, they want you to heal. They want you to heal and see the clear pictures of the relationship and not be in any kind of dilemma. And they feel like, yeah, this reconciliation is your wish fulfillment. Is your wish fulfillment. I got it, but you have to work on yourself first. Then we will see what we can do about this. This is what they want from you. This cold is killing me. My God, no. Okay. So let's see what is coming towards it till 21st. Let's see. Let's see. Seven of Cups. Confusion. This is certain kind of confusion. You might be having options in your life and you are very confused. What should I do? What should I do with with all these options? It could be in your love life, it could be in your professional life. You have to check it what is happening with you. But I think you are going to be really confused about what way should I choose, what path should I choose, and what should I do to move forward in my life. So this is kind of confusing energy that is coming towards you till the 21st. Let me clarify. The Moon, the Seven of Wands, and the Six of Pentacles. You could be dealing with the Pisces here. You will try your best to balance things between you and them, between you and your person, and uh, you are very very scared of doing that. Actually, you are very very scared of approaching this person because you feel like, I have a self respect, I'm not going to do anything. But internally you feel like bringing a balance to your life with this particular situation, with this particular person in this equation, and you're really confused how to do it. You're really confused how to do it, okay? Because might be you're having lots of options to do the same thing, or might be you're lacking options. This could be anything. It's kind of confusing energy, I understand. So thank you so much, Aquarius, for tuning in. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste, bye.